Hey everybody, I just hit 10,000 views. Just wanted to say thank you everybody, thank you to every subscriber, viewer, commenter. Thank you for watching this video right now. Thank you for everything, guys. This has been awesome. Anyway, so as celebration, I thought I'd make something today that's a bit more iconic. And with the Marvel show Falcon and the Winter Soldier just finishing, I thought that it was overdue that I made a Captain America themed project. So here we are, we're making it today. Quick note though, everybody who's been commenting asking for Black Panther claws, it's coming. I already have the blueprints and all the materials I need. I'm just waiting for a YouTube milestone, like maybe 300 subscribers. I don't know, but it's coming, don't worry. Anyway, so Captain America arm. I'm thinking of making it magnetic so it like snaps on and off, like with the gauntlet thing that Captain America has, something like that. I'm not sure yet. This being said, I'm going to try anyway. I'm gonna try to make a Captain America shield with cardboard. It should be fairly easy. I'm not sure yet, but let's try it. On pretty nicely. You did the Velcro thing. And then now I'm probably going to use these magnets to make this go on like this. If that doesn't hold it though, I have some magnetic tape. I lost the magnets. A bit of stuff that I didn't film, I will try to go over it. I added magnetic tape and Velcro and matching on the side, and I mean it lifts, so that's nice. Yay. Alright, let's paint this! Also, I suck at stapling. Okay, so I painted the red parts red. So I'm thinking, I don't have much white paint, so I'm probably going to use white paper to cover that bit, and then just blue paint for that bit, and yeah, and then after that, it'll be pretty much done. Let's do it. Thank you, everybody. That's it for today. The final product is pretty awesome. Yeah, I really enjoyed making this project. If you like this video, please go ahead and like and subscribe. If you have any suggestions for future builds, feel free to comment below. You can also have your input seen through my Instagram or my Gadgetsmith Discord server. And, yeah. Also, if you want to support me, I have a Patreon set up and a merchandise website. All linked to below and in my social bar on my channel page. So, thanks for watching, everybody. Peace.